Hello traders. All right, I wanted to do a video and show you how I trade levels on the way up to my final target. Here I have UMA USD in front of me, the chart that I called a price increase of 2x in a matter of weeks, and we are still on our way there, folks. So I called it around $12. And in this video, I want to show you how to trade levels on the way up to that projected price target of $24, $28, somewhere around there. All right. Actually, I said it was 28. Yeah, I see the line is up here at $28. So more than double your profit. Um, so uh, I'm not doing the best job at explaining how we trade these levels. And this is a free preview for those of you who are not subscribers yet. So this shows after the fact what I'm telling my subscribers uh, to do before it happens. All right. So UMA provides a chart here that I can reference, and we can see past historical price action, and I can put out a hypothetical situation here. And so we're going to do that today, and I'm going to show you how you can leverage price action to make more than double your money on the way up to that $28 price target. Now, if you want to do that buy and hold stuff, that's fine. That all the more power to you. A lot of people are doing that on crypto, anywhere. All right, but I'm showing you how I made 30x my initial value of cash in cryptos in 2 years. All right. So if you would have bought and hold Bitcoin at the bottom, when I called the bottom around 4,000 to where it's at today, you could have made 16x your money. All right. 16 times your money. Now that's good returns. However, I'm going to draw that out there so you understand what I'm saying. In that time frame, I made 30x my money, 30 times my initial cash value in my account. I made that in 2 years' time. How did I do that doing non-leveraged trades? Is there a particular crypto? No. What I did is I drew out levels, and what I'm about to show you is how I leveraged the price action to make more than a projected target, such as in this case, $28. All right, so let's hypothetically say that you wanted to buy 100 coins at $12 a piece. All right, so your initial investment here is $1,200, right? Now, what I'm trying to teach my traders to do along the way is sell a portion of that initial investment, take your profits, put it in cash, and be safe. So, not only is this, in my opinion, a safer way to trade, but you can leverage that price action and make way more on the way up. All right. So this is number one. This is around the area we buy. All the purple circles indicate buy. I didn't do green only because it's hard to see on this chart. So we start at number one with a purchase of 100 coins at $12 a piece. The first level that I would show my subscribers over here at studamas.substack.com is you sell 25% of that initial investment at your first level of resistance. All right. So in this case, they would have taken 25% profit at around $16, right? So if you bought at 12 and sold at 16, that's 25% increase. You sell 25 coins at $16 a piece. Now you just netted $400 in cash, which you're going to stick to the side, all right? Because you may want to re-enter. All right, so you stick that $400 to the side and you wait. You wait to see what we do. Well, in this case, not only did we break this level, but we went all the way up to my next level here at $20. All right, I'm going to just erase that arrow so we can see what we're doing. So there is where I would tell my traders, and you have to be disciplined about doing this. You can buy and hold, but you could lose opportunities here. And these are opportunities that you are gaining. You sell another 25%. Now, in this case, that represents 20% profit, right? Because you sold between $16 and $20. That's $4. $4 out of 20 is 20%. So you sell another 25 coins here, and 75 times 12 is 900. All right. So this is how many coins you had in up into this $20 mark. So you now have $900 of your initial $1,200 investment still in. Well, that was actually your initial investment. All right. And we made 67% profit on that initial $900. All right. So that 900, excuse me, I misspoke there. That $900 was our initial investment. We made 67% between $12 and $20 on that initial investment. All right. So what are we going to take out? So to find out what we have now, we would now have $1,503 at this $20 mark. I'm just going to round it up to 1,500. We're taking 25 coins here again, another 25% of our initial investment. We now have another $500 in cash on the side. All right. Add that $500 to the $400 that we already have. We have $900 in cash on the side. And now we're going to let it ride, see what happens. All right. So this is at point number 3. We have $900 in cash, and we still have 50% of our initial investment in this trade. But look what happens. We hit this resistance, exhaustion. All right. We totally collapsed. And we not only collapsed below the next level, we collapsed all the way down to our neckline. If that happens, now I would have told my subscribers this, you buy 100, there's 2 strategies you can go. Now, in my opinion, I would buy 100% back, all right, because we have broken the neckline and we did not collapse below this neckline again. So confirming that the move is still going to take place, all right, that we're still going to continue up to our final target of $28. I'm not going to zoom out because it screws up all these boxes and everything. But you can see that final price target on another video that I post here on TradingView, YouTube, wherever you're watching this. All right. So you're all in once again. All right. So now you're taking your cash that you have on the side, which is $900, right? And you're buying at a level of around $14. We're going to just say hypothetically that it's $14. Now, this is like the perfect trade. You're not always going to get it spot on every time. But you buy $900 worth of coins at $14. That equals approximately 64 new coins you're adding to your original 50 coin position. You still have 50 coins, remember? So now you have 114 coins in this trade, representing the original $600 that you still have in, plus $900. You have $1,500. So you see how that went from $1,200 to $1,500 just by trading these levels. All right. So now you have $1,500 cash in almost at the same place where you first bought. And now you're going to ride this up again. And this represents the big candle, the big green candle. You probably would not have sold right here. And the reason why is because you didn't quite hit that level. But some of you may have. Some of you may have put in your sell limits a little bit short, which I tend to do. I don't always set it spot on. It depends on the mood I'm in and how aggressive I'm feeling, what my risk tolerance is, et cetera, et cetera. That's the nature of this game, right? But a lot of you probably would not have sold. So then now you head right back down. You're still holding and you hit this neckline. And look at this. Yesterday's video, I said that we would close above this support level. And we did. We closed right above that. We're still hovering right on top of this support level. We're using this as big support. So we're still going to go right back up. So there's 3 ways you could take the strategy at this point and into the future. But if you're exercising my level strategy, you would have sold 25% of 114 coins here. That would be 25.5 coins times $16 is where we're at. And you would stick that $456 in cash, have it on the side for a future, let's say we go up to this level and then come back down. And then, so your future re-entry would be right here. Do you see what I'm doing? And I have not yet seen anybody teach this method. This is just something I learned through experience. And that's what I'm trying to teach my subscribers. Only I don't do it after the fact like I'm doing in this video. I try to tell you on a particular trade how to do this, how to exercise, how to draw your levels and exercise these trades before it happens. All right. So my subscriber level service is basically the price right now, and maybe it's undervalued, but I see a lot of professional traders on TradingView charge this price, what I'm charging annually, they charge per month. All right. And now I'm new at this and I recognize not everything's perfect. I don't have all my systems set up the way that they need to be to get you, the most education possible. I don't have videos that I can go back and historically reference and put in the links for the new subscribers and all that sort of thing, which somebody more experienced might do. I just started making these videos 3 weeks ago, and my friends have noticed my trading technique and say, hey, we haven't seen this before. Can you please do videos on this and show us? So I figured, well, all right, I'll show them and I'll show you as well, my TradingView subscribers and my YouTube subscribers and wherever you find me on social media. I'm all over the place on Twitter, Tumblr, Substack is where you would subscribe, Locals. I'm on Odyssey, Steemit, and all the decentralized platforms as well. All right, so this is what I'm trying to teach my subscribers about price action before it happens. All right, so hopefully you find that at value, and you can see what I'm doing here. I'm leveraging because now you have $1,000. You're taking all the way from 16 here to 24. I don't know what the percentage gain on that is at this point. I can't do the math in my head, but you're basically safe. You've already made $400, $456 by just playing these levels, and you can pay for my subscription and still make profit. So see what the value is here. And this is how you trade levels, guys. And I'm going to do lots of videos on these at least once, in the beginning, once a week. I'm going to show you level trades on particular plays. And then we'll see, what value you guys find in it, et cetera, et cetera. Any questions or comments, post those in the comments section. And if you find this value helpful, useful at all, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, of course. All right, all that out of the way. Have a good day, traders, and best of luck to you.